Sulit na sulit ang biyahe. Bago ka balin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Conanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tarlac. And we are featuring this restaurant. It's called Champs. Let's find out ano yung mga sinaserve nila dito. I'm really excited because this is an American diner.
Yes, ako din. So tara, let's go!
So there you have it guys. Once again, thank you for being with us in this video. Grabe, sulit na sulit yung biyahe natin. Coming from Pampanga to Tarlac. So again, we are here at Champs. If you notice guys, sa table natin, dito yung mga bestseller nila. This is available in Tarlac. So let us introduce the dishes that they served us today. Meron po tayong mga steaks dito.
Meron din tayo ditong kanis salad. Meron tayong chicken inasal. Kung sa mga steaks nila, meron tayong porterhouse and ribeye.
Now for our kids, I think this is very recommended. No? They have chicken spaghetti. Ayan. And then we do also have American ribs, which is, I think,
mamaya madadali yan.
Yun ang babanatan ko. Okay, now for the milkshakes, you have strawberry, this is vanilla,
root beer vanilla, chocolate, and cookies and cream.
For our mga sandwiches, no, we have chili dog.
One of the pinagmamalaki ng Champs dito is yung mga burgers nila.
Burgers.
They serve us two variants. So meron sila ditong chili corn burger.
Yeah.
And at the same time, yung pinaka-special nilang Champs Choice.
Champs Choice.
Sa mga burgers nila, you could add some additional orders like fries, twisters, and mojos.
So actually, inunahan ko ni Jan dun sa mga shakes natin. Just to tell you guys, these are made from ice creams talaga. Sulit na sulit, kumbaga. Let's taste them. For me, I'm gonna try with this American ribs.
So ako naman, syempre, yung kailang ribeye.
When we say diner restaurants, no, most of the time talaga meat loaded.
Yes.
As we always say, the best part of the vlog is always the taste testing, no?
Yung mga steaks nila dito are imported steaks, actually.
Grabe guys, this rib is so tender, it falls off the bone. Oh man, sulit na sulit ang biyahe. Those of you who are in Pampanga, they are also available at Galacy. They have in Florida, Blanca, and very soon sa San Fernando. So watch out for that. About the place, what can you say about the place, bro?
Sa place naman, so they can accommodate up to 60 packs. Parang nasa American diner ka talaga.
Yes.
Classic, cozy, and Instagrammable.
Actually, nakita natin yung mga nagdadaing kanina. No? So you have like families, you have barkadas, you have mga dates, no? A couple of dates. No? Yeah, this is really a great place for you to check out here in Tarlac. Yeah, very soon in San Fernando. So actually, my American ribs is almost done. How about you, bro?
So,
halos nakalahati mo na rin.
Nakalahati ko na rin. So, sobrang sarap. And kumbaga premium yung steak nila. So, next to taste naman natin is yung kanilang mga Champs Choice.
Wow. That's a huge burger, bro.
Ganito kakapal yung Champs Choice nila. So, inside, nandito yung patty nila na pinagmamalaki.
Yep.
At the same time, meron siyang bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, and peas.
Iba pang mga variants for the burgers. Also. But this is, kumbaga, all in.
Ito yung pinaka-loaded burger nila.
Loaded burger.
Kaya tinawag siya Champs Choice.
There you go. Now, ako naman, titikman ko yung kanilang chili burger. I think this is new in their menu, no? If you notice again, it is meat loaded. But yung catch dito, guys, is it's chili con, so it's really spicy, which I really like. Wow, that's huge, man.
Actually, yung Champs Choice parang double patty pa siya. Kasang kakapal. Malasa, masarap. Sulit na sulit to pag dinayo niyo talaga.
Then actually yung patty nila, parang it melts in your mouth. I think that's the term. It melts in your mouth.
Hi everyone, welcome to Champs. I'm Paolo Rodriguez, owner of Champs Philippines, and we would like to invite you at our diner. Try our American favorites like hamburgers, hot dogs, fries, sticks, shakes, and many more. We hope to see you soon and take care.
So if you're interested to know more about Champs, make sure to check out their fan page. We're gonna be flashing on your screens right now. Ayan, para po updated tayo dun sa mga announcement and promos nila. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like the food you saw in this video or the place, the ambience, the restaurant itself, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Champs sa Facebook and other social media channels nila. And yeah, let's show some support. If you want to experience American dining, make sure to order from Champs.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.